Hello, Alejandra and Britton. I'm going to look at yours together today. So, this is the first time I've opened either one of them. I do really like your font choices and your color choices, Britton. They're really unusual. I like your palette. It would catch my attention. So, that's all there is to it. You're just going to click on that. I'm wondering how Nike would look in white, the word in the swoosh. I think with these muted colors, even though it's surrounded by this hot orange, the white would pop off the page in an insane way. Especially with a smaller one, I do think you need that little bit of push. So that's consistent all the way throughout. And I like that you don't have a ton of information. I don't think you need it. If it's a button, that's what the viewer will do. What's this one for? I think that you want to move this decorative type a little bit away from the border. It's sort of a little tiny strain on the eyes, especially because that color is so muted and it seems sort of like the same toned down hue as the blue background. You might want to pop up the vibrancy on that just a touch. All right, so let me look at the opposite is a very bright Coke ad. I like that you didn't use the Coke logo. I think that created more of a challenge for you. But this would pop off the page. The wide tracking is a little hard to read in sentence form. It's good for labels and headlines, but to become a part of the Coca-Cola innovation, that causes my brain to really slow down. If you want to do something different, try all caps. But a lot of this wide tracking goes a long way. And let me see, is this at 100? No. All right, I think that's effective. It's interesting, at first I wasn't sure what I was looking at here, but it did make sense a second later, so we really like that aha moment. And for me, I'm a graphics person, so I like as many graphics as possible. I find this one to be the most successful. It's that it's a bottle is clear right away, and I love that you're showing the viewer where the swoosh comes from. And the gray on here is really satisfying. It creates a nice visual contrast. But more than anything, this bottle cap looks like a button. It's so three-dimensional, and it's exactly the call to action. It's like almost like literally a target. You want somebody to press it to get a job. So this one's very successful. Also, I mean, if you're skimming this as you might on a social media site, for me it would be help, innovation, job. So that's very succinct and to the point. Well done. All right, you two. I think you both have very interesting concepts. I would just tweak them a little bit, even if you need to take a screenshot of the different social media sites and see how it looks like, even your own Facebook page. Replace one of the ads you might see with that and see how it looks. All right, let me know if you have any questions.